Throughout history, humans have constructed remarkable structures that continue to baffle archaeologists, engineers, and historians. Some of these constructions are not only impressive in size but also in the secrets they hold. One such enigmatic site is Baalbek, an ancient city in present-day Lebanon, home to the famous Temple of Jupiter and its massive stone blocks. These colossal stones, some weighing between 900 and 1,000 tons, have sparked debates about the true capabilities of ancient civilizations. How were these massive stones quarried, transported, and placed with such precision? Could humans from thousands of years ago have accomplished this using only primitive tools? Or is there evidence of an advanced lost technology, perhaps even one that surpasses modern engineering? In this documentary-style discussion, we will explore the theories, controversies, and potential explanations behind the construction of Baalbek's megalithic wonders. The Temple of Jupiter in Baalbek was one of the most impressive structures of the Roman Empire, but its foundation consists of something even more mysterious: the trilithon, 3 gigantic stone blocks, each weighing over 800 tons. Nearby, there are even larger stones, including the stone of the pregnant woman and the stone of the south, which are among the largest stones ever quarried by human hands. The question is, how did ancient people move these stones? Even with today's most advanced cranes and machinery, moving a single stone of this magnitude would be an extreme challenge. This leads many to question whether the Romans, or an even older civilization, had access to technology or techniques that have since been lost to history. The most conventional explanation suggests that ancient civilizations used basic tools, ramps, and manpower to move the stones. Lifting techniques. Some archaeologists believe that wooden cranes, pulleys, and counterweights could have been used. Rolling systems. Logs or sleds could have helped transport the stones over long distances. Mud brick ramps. A popular theory is that long, inclined planes were built using sand and mud bricks to drag the stones into place. While this theory is widely accepted, critics argue that there is no physical evidence of such ramps or tools large enough to handle the sheer weight of these stones. Some researchers suggest that a now lost advanced technology was used to manipulate and transport these stones. Could ancient civilizations have mastered anti-gravity or acoustic levitation? Did they possess cutting tools superior to what we have today? Were these stones molded rather than carved? While there is no direct proof of such technologies, proponents of this theory argue that the precision and scale of Baalbek's stones suggest something far beyond primitive techniques. A more speculative but intriguing theory is that Baalbek was originally constructed by a much older civilization, perhaps thousands of years before the Romans arrived. Some researchers believe that the Romans built their temples on top of an already existing foundation, originally created by a prehistoric culture. The size and placement of the stones suggest a different architectural style compared to Roman construction methods. Some legends even claim that Baalbek was built by the biblical Nephilim, the giants mentioned in ancient texts. Could it be that Baalbek is a remnant of a lost prehistoric high-tech civilization? Baalbek is not the only site with mysterious giant stones. Other ancient locations around the world share similar unexplained features. Humapunku, Bolivia, precision-cut stones that appear as if they were machined. Sacsayhuaman, Peru, massive stones that fit together so perfectly that even a razor blade cannot pass between them. Giza pyramids, blocks weighing several tons lifted to great heights without clear evidence of ramps. The similarities between these sites raise an important question: did ancient civilizations share lost knowledge or advanced techniques that we have yet to rediscover? Recent studies have attempted to analyze the quarrying and transportation methods of Baalbek's stones. Some key findings include: geological analysis. The stones were likely quarried from a site just 800 meters away, but moving them even that short distance remains an enormous challenge. Experimental archaeology. Researchers have attempted to move smaller stones using Roman-era tools, but results suggest that moving such massive blocks would require extreme manpower and coordination. Ground-penetrating radar. Some studies suggest that there may be even more buried structures beneath Baalbek, possibly older than the Roman era. Despite these efforts, no definitive explanation has been found for how the largest stones were transported and positioned with such precision. Conclusion: what is the truth about Baalbek? Baalbek remains one of the greatest engineering mysteries of the ancient world. If the Romans built it, how did they achieve such an incredible feat with primitive tools? If an older civilization constructed it, who were they, and what technology did they possess? Could there be a lost technique or forgotten knowledge that allowed ancient people to move and place these stones? Until new evidence emerges, the true story of Baalbek's megaliths remains a mystery. What do you think? Was it pure human determination, an advanced lost technology, or something beyond our understanding? No matter the answer, one thing is certain: Baalbek continues to captivate and challenge our perception of ancient history.